everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the course structure in MOOCit Studio. From Studio, we will select our course to enter into the course outline page. This is where course authors will build the course outline, and it kind of acts like a table of contents. Open edX courses have 3 levels of organization by default. These are called sections, subsections, and units. Sections are the topmost level and can represent a time period, a chapter, or another organizing principle in your course. Sections are divided into subsections. A subsection may represent a topic in your course or another organizing principle. Subsections are sometimes called lessons, or they could even represent a week's worth of material. Subsections contain 1 or more units. Units are the parts of a subsection that learners view as single pages in the course. A unit can contain 1 or more components such as text, video, quiz, etc. We're going to talk about course components more in another video. When you start building your course, you should have an idea of the course outline and structure. When we start a new course in Studio, the course outline is completely empty. Let's say that this is my planned course, and now I'm going to create it. First, I'll start by adding each section. We just select Add New Section, and then give the section a title. We will repeat this 4 times for each of my 4 course sections. Next, I will add my course subsections. Just select New Subsection and give it a title as well. Now you can see that I have all my subsections and sections created. Finally, I will select Add Unit, which takes me to the unit page where I can title my unit and start adding the components to my unit page. For now, we will return to the course outline by selecting the course name in the header menu, and I will continue to add the rest of my course units and worry about the component part later. While we're here, I will show you a few additional tools that might help when you're designing the outline of your course, or at least help to speed things up. If you want, you can select Duplicate for a full section, which will duplicate all of the subsections and units within it. We can likewise delete a full section, which deletes all of the subsections and units within it. We can also do the same with subsections. By duplicating a subsection, all of the units inside will be duplicated with it. Another feature is that you can also click and drag by using the drag to reorder icon in order to move around units, subsections, or sections. You can even move a unit or a subsection into an entirely different section. In order to access View Live, we must first publish each section. I'm not ready to do this yet, so I will just go to one of my units and click on Preview. This will open up a new window, and you should see Preview in the URL. This is an exact preview of the LMS as your learners will see your course. From here, select the name of the course in the header menu, which will bring you to the learner's view of the course outline page. Here, the learner can expand and collapse the sections to view the subsections and units available. They can also select Start Course or select a specific unit to start going through the course page by page. Here, on the left side of the screen, is a portion of the course outline where users can see which section and subsection they are in and all of the units available in that subsection. Right now, we can see that we are in Section 1, subsection 1.1, and unit 1.1.1. By clicking Next, learners advance through the units. Once a subsection is finished, the menu on the left changes to indicate the new subsection in the units available. When you're done with the learner preview, you can close the window and return to the course outline. And that's the basics of Open edX course structure.